Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. So in this video I'm gonna show different amazing and unique paper decoration ideas. I'm gonna show different beautiful and unique stone art, rocks art and paper home decorate. You can make easily at home for different unique and stylish paper decoration ideas. It is very beautiful and unique, and you guys know we can share different amazing paper decoration ideas like paper home decorate, different paper art for family, for kids, for animal and etc, and it is very classy and amazing. So please like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Please share your friends and family members and do not forget my YouTube channel. And you guys know we can share different paper craft videos, calling on and etc, and it is very amazing and stylish. And you can visit my YouTube channel, you can see different beautiful and unique ideas. And please do not forget my YouTube channel and please share your friends and family members and full watch my video. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.